The treatment for knee arthritis is really about trying to get you back on your feet. I mean, the reality is we can't undo arthritis. Arthritis is usually a slow, gradual process that happens, and how it progresses is difficult to predict. My goal always is to get you back on your feet and have you do the things you want to do, whether that be from things like oral medications, anti-inflammatories, Tylenol, or from strengthening the muscles around the joint, so strengthening the muscles around the knee. And that takes stress off of the bones that are seeing some of that increased stress and are inflamed. Things like injections can sometimes be helpful, and those come in different flavors. And then other things as well include, topical medications. Bracing can be helpful. But again, if you sort of boil down what I do in the treatment of knee arthritis, it's really using different modalities to get you back on your feet so that you can do the activities that you want to do and maintaining your quality of life.